aba sa kolantong post na to, no, ni Miss Kylie. Nung after nila mag-live na hindi sila magka-partner. Tapos, di ba hindi na gano'n kagabi si Miss Kylie sa cold block time nila? Wala siya. At ito grabe mga dilulo na mga kakaitan ko dito. Grabe, talagang sobra na. Grabe talaga ang kaitan na to. Sabi nila, I will always love you till the end. Yan ang direct translation. Yun pala yun. Tama, di ako mahilig. Pero kay Hara, amihan lang ako at kaitan. Diba? Ako rin. Doon lang talaga. Grabe naman yung binibigay kasi sa ating kaligayahan. Sobra. Nakakakilig, nakakawala ng stress. Basta lahat-lahat na ata. Diba nakakatuwa? Dito sa video ito makikita niyo talaga. Grabe yung good vibes. At nakakatawang lambingan nitong kaitan.
Triples! Drop on the
Yuki
triples!
Blue! Hala ka, lumalaban na kami.
I said drop now!
Juwa, sorry, lumalaban na kami. Sa hawak ko
Wait, I
ng
don't
lip
see gift.
Tap, risk you guys. Times
Good job.
3, times 3.
I'm so proud of you, DJ007. MVP!
Laban, oy, noon
Do
sa.
that again!
Triple.
Or I will get angry!
A triple.
Nice, Itan, kana.
Enigma!
Let's go. Pangbugas na ni guys, let's go.
Mag-drop kayo na gift! Chakas!
Thank you so much.
Blue, salamat kay Blue, grabe.
Oh, thank you.
Oh! Yan! Yan ang tama!
Bakit? May enigma kasi sila guys. Oh, they have their enigma.
Kaya pala galit ako!
Hoy,
Para
DJ!
mag-drop ng gift!
Si DJ pala yan.
Yeah, DJ.
Oh my God, DJ. Assalamualaikum. Guys, mga nag-tap-tap, nag-repost, nag-share sa live. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum! Mga Muslim pala siya. Assalamualaikum!
Oo, Muslim. Siya yung leader
Thank
ng
you for
palautog,
the gift.
Kylie, sa Dubai.
Thank
siya
you
yung-
for the gift.
Siya yung leader ng palautog, Dubai branch.
Huwag kayong maniwala sa mukha ko. Hindi ako galit.
Tap guys,
Masaya
nag-repost,
ako.
nag-share sa live. Salamat guys ha.
Masaya
Repost,
ako, I
share sa
promise.
live. Arigato.
Thank
Okay
you,
guys, sa
thank
ano
you,
lang
thank you, thank you.
sa
I
bonus
said thank
mission,
you.
we put our gloves. Kaya pa natin to. Okay, mag-ano lang tayo.
This is
Trust
my
to your-
favorite
trust-
filter now.
Trust to your process. O trust to your process lang. Makaya
Power!
natin. Process natin to tap repost your the live. Okay. At saka ipin ko na lang rin yung hindi pa guys, hindi pa naka-heart me, no? Baka pwede kayo mag-heart me dyan, pang bigas lang, no? Para dito na kayo, membro na kayo ng palautog. At saka tap na rin. Let's go 1 million tap kung kaya lang. Kung hindi nyo kaya, okay na lang naman. Importante na buhay tayo.
Ping-pong together. Smile power.
Palautog, thank you. Welcome. Digitog, salamat kayo. Thank you so much. Arigato. Yatay, mali, Kylie.
Why? My Jagia is sad now.
Nagbasa pa ng ilok, guys. Electric pa na ako, ha?
Jagia, don't be sad.
Hala, ay, grabe man ni Johnny. Harap-harap. And they are kissing Johnny. Let's kiss each other, Johnny. Let's go.
Bye, come here.
Tayo na lang, Johnny.
Yeah,
Hi,
yeah.
Jagia. Don't be sad, Jagia. Okay.
Nasa bus. Nasa bus, yeah? The wheels in the bus. Go round and round.
700
Okay,
points, guys. 700 points.
Let's open the 700 bonus mission, everybody, kung pwede lang. Kung kaya nyo, sige, kaya natin to kakayanin. Arigato. Arim is kurilat. 31,000. Ano ilahan?
Ayan.
Okay, guys, tap repost. Ang akong ilok, basa kayo, guys.
700 points.
Get the speed. Get the speed.
Sige na.
Now.
Kaya, welcome in. Wow! Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag nyo pala
They're
utog, andito na.
sniping. Guys, you have to get the speed.
Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Andito na.
Good job, ha?
200 points, guys. 200 points.
May
Sige,
enigma
wait lang.
sila.
1 minute na lang. Tinatawag na ako. I have to go in a bit after this one.
Okay.
Okay,
Sige na.
okay.
Before sila alis, sige.
Everyone, let's
Mag-iwan
try our
kayo ng
best,
bakas.
guys.
Win
Let's try our
this.
best.
Let's
Salamat,
win
isang
this.
Oh, let's
Palutog.
make it
Thank you so
2-0,
much,
guys.
Jiboy.
2-0.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
If we lose, it's 1-1, guys. 2-0. 2-0.
Yes, drop the gloves. Drop the gloves.
We can do it. 2-0.
Itan family, let's drop the gloves, okay?
2-0. 2-0, everyone. 2-0.
Drop the gloves, everybody.
Don't let them snipe it.
Nice, oh, nice. Thank you so much, guys. Arigato.
Don't let them snipe it.
January, thank you so much.
Thank you
I
so
will
much.
get really angry.
Drop the gloves. Yung Manny Pacquiao na gloves.
Don't let them start. No, don't let them start.
Double, guys. Double. Double. Double.
Dili ko makakiat ko.
Don't let that stone.
Double.
My mouth is so big. Don't let them stone. I said, don't let them
DJ.
stone.
18 mil. 18 mil. Alaka.
Don't let them stone.
Sakit sa ulo yan.
Oh,
Huwag ka nang umasa, Johnny. Huwag ka nang, don't expectancy. Johnny, don't expectancy. Okay, tama.
don't let them
Johnny, don't
stone. Oh my
expectancy.
God, what the
Ala.
fudge?
Oh, Julie.
Oh my God, Ethan's winning. It's okay, no
Thank you
stone.
so much, Digito. Arigato.
Let them stop.
Ajay.
Let them stop.
Yes!
Don't let them stop.
Ay, may enigma pa sila. Hindi pa natin alam.
Salam.
Ay, wala. Ay, salamat. Ay,
It's
thank
okay,
you.
my Jackie. I won. You made him smile.
Arigato
Thank you,
gozaimasu,
whoever
Digito.
dropped the gift.
Yuki Blue. Thank you kayo. Ay, atay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you kayo, do.
Thank you, everyone.
Salamat kayo, do.
Come here, Ethan. Ay, 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 ay.
Jamie.
Come here, Bahar.
Okay, guys, I have to go. Best at Prince. Jagia. Jowa. Jagia Jowa. I have to go now. Thank you.
Thank you, Jowa.
everybody.
Ingat.
Yeah, see you later.
Arigato.
Thank you, DJ007 Official Enigma. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Kate. Thank you so much.
9712 Shay. Thank you. F. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Bye,
Ingat kayo. Bye, guys.
Bye, Ethan.
Wait, Princess, are you coming back later?
Bye, Jagia. Bye-bye.
Wala na, Johnny. Wala ka nang babalikan. Okay. Johnny,
Yeah, Bahar.
I have to go because my kilikili.
진짜 I want to order. 목마른데? Really I want to order. 진짜 order 주세요.
You hug me. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Fighting, fighting,
Bye. See you later, Jagia.
fighting.
Bye.
팝 왔나? 팝2. 진짜 레츠고야.
Okay, I have to end now. Oh, did he hug me? Oh my God, he hugged me. He felt bad. Tell him niyakap ko siya. You know what? I'm just gonna... Tell him I hugged him back, guys. Tell him I hugged him back. Tell him I hugged him back. Tell him I hugged him back, guys.
At ayan na nga, nag-hug na sila. Oo, di ba? Maligaya na si Ethan nakahag na.